Hey, how's it going? It's Sam Frost here, back with some more digital marketing advice. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about the importance of having a really good post-click experience when you're running ads online. So whether you're running Facebook ads or Google ads or Bing ads or LinkedIn ads or any kind of ads, one mistake I keep seeing businesses make, both businesses that come and talk to me about their marketing, and also just from a consumer's perspective. I don't live in a bubble. I actually buy products online as well, just like other people do, and I sort of encounter these problems from a consumer perspective as well. And that's when you click on an ad and the ad looks appealing. Maybe you've typed something into Google like insurance quotes or dog toys for sale or whatever it is you're looking to buy, and you hit a bad landing page. So you might hit a website that's really slow to load. This is a really common scenario I see. So click an ad and then you wind up on some really slow loading page that just hangs and hangs and hangs like you're back in the good old days of dial-up. Or you might hit a page on your mobile phone that isn't mobile responsive, and so you're pinching and zooming and scrolling around trying to find what you're looking for, or you hit the wrong page. So you've clicked on a ad for red widgets and you hit a page about blue widgets, not what you were looking for, or you hit a page that just isn't visually appealing. It isn't easy enough to work out what it is you're supposed to do. It's just a sort of overwhelming mess of craziness. And so all these different factors all come into play, but they all sort of contribute to the same thing, the same underlying problem, and that's an inferior or insufficiently good post-click experience. So basically, if you are running ads online, don't just focus on the keywords you're targeting or the demographics and interests you're targeting and the ad copy. Also think about what comes after that. Are you sending people to the right place? For example, are you sending people to a secure site, or are you still using an insecure landing page system? I've still seen lots of businesses running insecure sites, which in 2019, almost 2020, just isn't good enough. So make sure you've got that piece down as well. You don't have to have the world's best landing pages to make a good start. Obviously, the more you can refine and improve, the better. But certainly making sure that your landing pages and your website load quickly, are secure, mobile responsive, and sort of clean and effective enough to make it very clear what it is you want people to do next, whether that's make an inquiry, download a brochure, fill in a form, buy a product, whatever. Basically make it obvious what you want people to do. Be explicit around how you intend them to act. If you get those things right, you're off to a good start, but it is really important to do this. Far too many businesses, in my experience, only think about what happens before they get the click, and then what happens after that is sort of forgotten, and then you're not going to be getting as good results as you might get. If you have a website that someone clicks on the link and then they hit a web page or a landing page that's broken, what sort of experience does that give, and are they going to stick around to buy from you? So yeah, if you're stuck with this, feel free to get in touch. I'd be glad to take a look at your landing pages and website and see if there's any advice I can give you there. You can email me on info@samfrost.co.nz to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.